Ever feel like your online presence is a chaotic mess you can't control? Or maybe you feel like you don't even have one? Well, whether you realize it or not, you are constantly building a digital twin of yourself online. This isn't just your social media profile. It's a complex, data-driven reflection of who you are, what you like, and even what you might do next. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on this hidden world. I'll show you exactly how your online identity is formed and give you the essential tools to stop being a passenger and start being the architect, shaping your digital self into your greatest asset. So, what exactly is this digital twin? Think of it as the sum total of every digital breadcrumb you leave behind. It's not just the photos you post or the updates you share. It's every single click, every like, every search query, every online purchase, every location tag, and every second you spend watching a video. All these tiny data points are collected and pieced together, creating a surprisingly detailed profile of you. But who's building this? The invisible architects are algorithms, artificial intelligence, and a whole industry of data brokers you've probably never heard of. These systems are constantly at work, analyzing your data to predict your behavior, your interests, and your personality. They're not just passively observing. They are actively shaping your online persona, deciding what content you see, what ads you get, and even what news you're shown. You might be thinking, so what? It's just online. But here's why this matters more than ever. Your digital twin has very real-world consequences. It can influence whether you get that job interview, as recruiters are definitely looking you up online. It can affect your ability to get a loan, as financial institutions are starting to use digital footprints to assess risk. It can even impact your dating life or the friendships you make. In today's world, your digital reflection is often the first impression you make, and it can open or close doors before you even get a chance to knock. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how this digital twin is actually built. It all starts with what we call data exhaust. Just like a car leaves behind exhaust fumes, everything you do online creates a trail of data. Think about it. You search for a new pair of running shoes. A few minutes later, ads for those exact shoes start following you across the internet. That's your data exhaust in action. You like a political post, you comment on a friend's vacation photo, you buy groceries online. Each action is a tiny piece of a much larger puzzle. This is where the mosaic effect comes in. Algorithms take these seemingly unrelated pieces of data, your search history from one site, your purchase history from another, your location data from your phone, your social media activity, and they piece them together. On its own, one data point might not mean much, but when combined, they create a comprehensive mosaic, a detailed portrait of your life, your habits, your beliefs, and your connections. It's like a detective piecing together clues to solve a case. Only the case is you. The truly mind-blowing part is the predictive power this gives them. By analyzing your past online behavior, these systems can make scarily accurate predictions about your future. They can predict what products you're likely to buy, what movies you'll want to watch, and even what life events you might be approaching, like getting married or having a baby. This predictive power is what makes targeted advertising so effective. But it also determines the opportunities that are presented to you or hidden from you online. Feeling a little exposed? Don't worry. The first step to taking control is understanding what's already out there. It's time to audit your current digital twin. This means doing a digital footprint deep dive. Start by searching your own name on various search engines. Use quotation marks around your full name for more exact results. Try different variations: your name plus your city, your name plus your profession. You might be surprised what you find. There are also tools and services, both free and paid, that can help you scan the web for mentions of your name or personal information. As you do this, you need to spot the inconsistencies. Is there an old, embarrassing photo of you from a decade ago showing up on page 1? Is there outdated professional information on a profile you forgot you even had? Are comments you made years ago, creating a public perception that doesn't align with who you are today. These inconsistencies can create a confusing or even negative narrative about you. The goal is to identify anything that doesn't represent the person you want to be seen as right now. Once you have a clear picture, it's time for some privacy settings mastery. This is one of the most powerful, actionable steps you can take. Go through every social media platform you use: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, TikTok, all of them. Dive deep into the privacy and security settings. Who can see your posts? Who can tag you in photos? Is your profile public or private? Pay close attention to the app permissions and data sharing settings. You are often sharing far more data with third-party apps than you realize. Take the time to review and adjust these settings to a level you're comfortable with. This is you actively taking control of the flow of your personal data. Now for the fun part: sculpting your ideal digital twin. This is where you move from defense to offense. It's all about intentional online presence, and it starts with strategic content creation. Think about your goals. Are you trying to build a professional network, find a creative community, or simply share your hobbies with friends? Whatever your goal is, every post, every comment, and every interaction should be a deliberate act that helps build that narrative. Share articles related to your industry. Post about projects you're proud of. Engage in thoughtful discussions in groups that matter to you. You're crafting a story, so make it a good one. A key part of this strategy is deciding between being a niche expert or having a broad presence. If you're a graphic designer, you might want to focus your entire online presence on design, creating a strong niche identity as an expert in your field. On the other hand, if you're a multi-passionate person, you might want to showcase a broader range of interests. Neither approach is wrong, but it's a conscious choice you need to make. A niche identity can lead to targeted opportunities, while a broad identity can showcase your versatility. Decide what best serves your personal and professional goals. Finally, embrace the power of curation. This isn't just about adding new content. It's also about actively removing or archiving content that no longer serves your desired digital persona. That old blog you abandoned, archive it. Those cringy photos from college, untag yourself or change the privacy settings. Your digital twin is a living document, not a permanent record set in stone. You have the power to edit it. Think of yourself as the curator of your own digital museum. You decide which pieces are on display and which are kept in the archives. So you've audited, you've secured, and you've started sculpting. But this isn't a one-and-done task. The final piece of the puzzle is future-proofing your digital self. This requires continuous monitoring. You can set up Google Alerts for your name, which will notify you anytime your name is mentioned on a new web page. Make it a habit maybe once a month or once a quarter to repeat the deep dive process and see what's new. Regularly check your privacy settings, as platforms often update them without much fanfare. Staying vigilant is key to maintaining control. You also need to adapt to the evolving digital landscape. New social media platforms pop up all the time. Privacy features change. Data trends shift. Staying informed doesn't mean you have to be a tech expert, but it does mean paying attention. Follow a few tech news sources or creators who talk about these topics. Understanding the direction the digital world is heading will help you make smarter choices about how you engage with it. Finally, I want to leave you with a thought on the ethical twin. As you take control of your digital identity, remember that you are a citizen of a larger digital ecosystem. Strive to build a digital twin that is not only beneficial to you, but also contributes positively to the online world. Be authentic, be respectful, engage in constructive conversations. Your digital reflection is a part of you, but it's also a part of a global community. By being a responsible digital citizen, you not only build a better online reputation for yourself, but also help make the internet a better place for everyone. Your digital life doesn't have to be something that just happens to you. You have the knowledge and the tools to be the artist. So go ahead, pick up the digital chisel and start sculpting the reflection you want the world to see. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more insights on navigating our digital world. See you in the next one.